Go ahead. Alright, everybody, this is how to be a Gweedette in 2008 at all the fucking biggest clubs in Long Island, the fucking city, everywhere, Jersey, shout out to my fucking Hamptons. Hell yeah, alright. Now this is how you're going to become a Gweedette. We start off with the outfit, and that consists of
Christian Audier.
Gotta have all the sequins over it with the hoodie. And then you gotta have the stretchy black pants. Exactly. Always gotta have nice long hair with the Guido poof. She's gonna show you how to do a Guido poof. Come on. Gotta really
make it as high as you can.
High as you can. You gotta poof that shit, bro.
As high as you can. Alright, now we're gonna do makeup.
And then it comes with makeup. Now all these bitches wear
that shit on.
all these bitches wear tons of bronzer. Yo, if you can see a line difference between your fucking neck and your face, that's a problem. It's gotta be nice and even, bro. With a nice NARS bronzer.
This is the Gweedette Flat Prime.
Exactly.
Bronzer. Pound it on. As much as you can get on.
And make sure there's no line though. You don't want that fucking shit nasty.
You gotta make sure it's secret. Nobody needs to know you use bronzer.
And no fucking orange from the tanning booth. That shit's whack.
No tan lines either.
No tan lines, bro.
You gotta put mad mascara.
Oh, mad mascara. Your eyelashes, you wanna see them fucking from outer space. And after that, you gotta be blinged out all the jewels, bro. Jewelry everywhere.
Owning your jewelry box, put it all on.
Exactly.
Put it all on.
All blinged out. And then you go out with your bag and your shoes, and then you're officially pumped up.
The leather poker boots.
Exactly. Jessica Simpson.
And then your Michael Kors bag or the Chanel, either or.